Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about one tool that is called Facebook Business Suite, or nowadays it is called Meta Business Suite. So if you are a business owner who is doing social media marketing for your business, or if you are a freelancer who is helping your client with the Facebook ad, with Instagram content management, everything, right? Or if you are a content creator who is posting content on Facebook, Instagram regularly. So now this tool will be very much helpful to you because this tool will combine all Meta products, yes, at one place. First Facebook, second Instagram, third WhatsApp, and fourth Messenger. So all these four platforms, if you want to see it and manage it together, then this tool will be helpful. So let's get started. So you have to type it business.facebook.com and then you will get access to the Facebook Business Suite. So once you open your Facebook Business Suite, it will look like this. So now let's see one by one how and what kind of this tool is and how each and every verticals can help us. So the interface will look like this. So we will understand each and every step of this interface step by step. This is going to be one column, this is going to be the second column, and this is going to be the third column. So first we will understand this middle column because it comprises everything in this middle column. So let's see one by one. So here you can see both your account, Facebook account as well as Instagram account at one place. Here there is a two button, go to Instagram, go to Facebook page, so you can manage both from this particular website. Here there is the option of creating a post and creating the ad. So whether if you want to create a post on Instagram or Facebook, you can create it by clicking here, and combining it can go to both the level. Or if you want to post differently, then that also is possible. If you want to create ad, then you have to click on this button and then you can create your ad. Here there are more options available. If you want to create reel, you can do it. If you want to create story, if you want to go live, so these all features are available in the first panel itself. Second section is called alert. Under this section you will get to know about whatever the issues your account are facing, whether it's Instagram issues, Facebook related issues, any ad related issue. All the notification will be shown to you here. So here I am getting some error. It's saying that messages are unavailable in inbox. I have to do some confirmation. So that's basically, you got the idea. Whatever the error, you will be visible here. Then the third section will be about the setting up the goals and recommendations. So basically there is a two major goal social media help us to bring is. First is to increase the brand awareness. Second is to connect with the new followers. So if you want to increase the brand awareness, when you click on it, Facebook Business Suite will show you the reference, like what all things you can do to increase the awareness. Obviously first will be you have to create the post. Second, you have to grow your audience. Third, you have to see what is working best. So this will basically tell you what's working best in past in your account, and based on that it can give you recommendation. And then of course you have to boost the post so that it will reach to the maximum audience. If you want to know more recommendation, you can click on here. So basically it will give you more recommendation how to increase brand awareness. Apart from brand awareness, if you want to connect with new followers, there are options. Facebook will definitely guide you, so you can check out those as well. Here also, apart from this, there is two more option is available: find potential customer and engage with your audience. So whatever your goal, whatever your objective is, Facebook will tell you what needs to be done to fulfill those objectives. You can follow those things. Now if we scroll down a little bit, there is a to-do list. So to-do list is basically telling us what we have to do on our account, combining WhatsApp, Facebook and Instagram. So some comments would be pending, some messages would be there, we need to post something. So everything Facebook will tell us here. So here see, I can see that there are comments that I have not replied yet, so it's telling me to reply. So I can straight away reply from here. So whatever the pending comments, you can directly reply. So it makes life very easy because see, we at one place we can see what all the tasks pending from our side in our account. So that's the thing, and that's very much easy to do. Then there is the terms update. So if Facebook and Instagram keeps changing their policy, keeps updating their policy, so whatever the updates will be coming, you can see it here. So you just have to click on it and you can see. Then the next section will tell you about the recent post, how recent post has performed, what all the recent post you have made, and whatever the action you can make. So let's suppose if you click on here, you can see definitely how it has performed, how many people has reacted, how many comments. If you want to boost, you can boost by clicking it here. Then if you scroll down a bit, you can reach to the recent stories. So if you have post some stories on Facebook or on Instagram, both will be visible at one place. This is the advantage of this tool. Yeah, after that, this is one of the favorite tool, and I'm definitely sure by knowing this tool your life will be much easier if you are regularly putting content. What you need is, you want to automate your content creation journey, because if you already plan your content, if you put it into the calendar, then it's like if I have to post something on the next week on some particular date, some particular time, I'll put it here and it will be posted automatically on that day, on that time. So this is called the planner, and we can call it as a automate content creation as well. So what you can do is, you can just click on the C planner, then it will tell you to schedule a post. So you just have to click on the schedule a post, schedule a story, reel, everything you can do. Just click on the schedule post. You can just put the time and date. Just I'll show you for the purpose of the demonstration. So I'll update some of the image which I already had. So I'll update it. No, I'm putting as a 30th December, whatever the date is coming, I'm just showing to you. So that's how it will look like. So once it's scheduled, it will look like, okay, on the 30th December, these two posts will go on. One will go on Facebook, one will go on Instagram. So this is how it works. So you can basically schedule all the months of content by in advance, so that it will be very much relaxed. So I already explained you the planner. Then recent ads. If you are running any ads for your business on Instagram, on Facebook, you can see it here. You can manage it by here. Click on the ad, and whatever the action you wanted to take, you can take it here. Then if you want to grow your audience, you can invite the friend, because by inviting friend, you can telling people that, okay, this is my page, come follow, contact me, like us, like that. Then this is the another good tool, that it will give you the content inspiration. So Facebook basically pick up the similar kind of profile from your niche, and then it will give you the recommendation how those guys are putting up the content, and then you can replicate, or you can not replicate. Basically you can just take the inspiration and just model it and create it on your own. I already explained the middle column. Now let me explain to you the third column. There are a couple of tools in the third column which is very much helpful. Let's get started. So here there is a first tool which we can see is the goal. We need to set up the goal for our social media accounts. So what we can do is get started. So either of these two, we have to select one. Either we want to increase the reach, or we want to grow the followers. So let's suppose I put up the increase the reach. I'll click on the next. What we need to do on the Instagram, if I'm starter, my goal is to increase the 50. If I'm intermediate, Facebook will recommend me to get 100 as a number, advanced and custom. Like that you can play around. Once you set the goal, it will show you what all the progress you have made on your goal, and that's how you can assess your social media performance. Apart from this, you can here see the insight. Basically insight will tell us how your Facebook and Instagram performance in the past 28 days. So Facebook page reach, whatever the number, and the growth. Here Instagram reach, whatever the number, and growth. Again here you can see the audience. So audience is basically how many followers you have on Facebook, how many followers you have on Instagram. So here you can see the insight about it. When you click on it, it will give you a detailed report about what all people are following you, from where they are following, what are their interests, what are their age, gender, everything, right? So this will be much more helpful for you. Then here it will be definitely what's the new in the Meta. So here you can see what all the things are trending in the Meta, what are the news related to Meta. So it's all the here in this panel, whatever you can see, it's already covered in here. It's just that you can manage from here as well. So if you click on the inbox, there is really good tool out here. So let's suppose here you can see all the messages at one place: Messenger, Instagram, Facebook, and Instagram comments. So everything here, whenever you click on anybody, you can get access to their messages, and you can directly reply from here. This is very much relaxing, right? Because imagine if you have to manage Facebook, Instagram, and if that account is every day getting 20-30 message, comments and everything, how difficult it is. So that's how Facebook has created this tool to make us life very easy. So this is basically the entire tool I have explained. If you have any further query, you can put it in the comment. I will definitely address those comments, and I will let you. If you find this video helpful, please share it with your other friends. And don't forget to subscribe this channel for more Facebook and Instagram ads related content.